Let's stay with Karnataka, where I have a good news story. Remember, right through this month, we're going to be focusing on the country's water crisis. No, we haven't forgotten about that. But today, it's a good news story. Well, the rest of North Karnataka is suffering today from the lack of drinking water. Rural areas of Gadag district are becoming a shining example of how things can change if politicians and officials work together. It's our Good News Today story, reported by Nolan Pinto.
Northern Karnataka, dry, parched and boiling in the heat wave, where every single drop of water is a struggle. In the middle of this vast expanse of drought is an oasis of hope. The district of Gadag, a shining example of efficient governance. Drinking water is available here, delivered directly to people's homes.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ 24/7 ನೀರು ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಗದಗಿನ ಯುವಕರಿಗೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಕೊಡ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಳೆ ಹಚ್ಚಾರ. ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೀರಿಂದ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Now, entire North Karnataka is suffering from acute water crisis. This is because of the continuous drought. But in a village in Gadag district, people here have continuous supply of water. In fact, 24/7 supply of water. Even houses that are under construction have piped water connection.
The district draws water from Tungabhadra river through pipelines that run for more than 1,900 kilometers.
So we are right now at the Singtalur barrage. So from where we are, Tungabhadra river is there. We have a barrage here. So this is the source point for our scheme, multi-village scheme, which provides water to Mundragi, Shiratti and Gadag Taluk rural villages.
What is striking is that other neighboring districts like Ballari, Koppal and Haveri are unable to tap water like Gadag does.
Clean drinking water supplied to 343 villages across Gadag district. So while different districts surrounding Gadag district suffer from acute water crisis, rural areas in Gadag district, people do not need to rush to water tankers but get piped water in their homes.
The efficiency was such, this time the administration did not see the need to use any water tankers at all.
This year, this summer, we have not hired even a single bore in rural areas, and we have not transported water through tankers. We have given water through this scheme itself.
Gadag has set an example for the rest of the districts in northern Karnataka. A better distribution mechanism can go a long way in mitigating the water emergency. Bureau Report, India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.